That's a good angle, is it? Alright. Oh, hello. Midnight Charlie Man, Patrick. Go put some light on. Hello. Fucking hell, man. Midnight Charlie Man, it's the 31st of January 2024, it's approximately 8 PM. And the pitfalls, the downfalls of renting, of being a renter. And really annoying. Do not like being in that, a lot of the time do not like being in that position, especially being able to say about things. There's one person here who owns, it's Christine, one person here who owns, and just sometimes she'll be looking at something like this. Like this. And you're thinking, why are you looking at that like that? Why are you looking at that like that? And she's like, yeah, and then the next day, like, we'll go out, and we'll come out, 10 hours later, that thing that she was looking at, gone. We're like, I knew you were looking at that weirdly. I knew that you were doing that. Like, we've got a huge tree on this side, but we're on the opposite side, but we've got a huge tree over here, right? And Steve, he faces the tree. Anyway, it's a huge tree, and the currawongs love to sit in it. Anyway, we got back, walking around, Michelle stops, and she was talking about something else. So I thought she was still in that conversation, like she was just saying something in particular. And she stops, and I didn't realise what she was looking at, and she was like, they've cut a quarter of the tree off. They've cut it all off. And Michelle had this possum box. There was a possum box of sorts, and she just had the thing. And she just said to me now, Pat, she said to me, it's been there for a while, that box. It was falling apart, on the verge of falling apart. I should have moved it, but I thought, oh no, I'll just leave it there. So these monkeys have come along. This has all happened today, because we've been out for, stayed over, we went to Yethelmead near Bathurst. My sister lives there. Went to visit my nephew. Stayed overnight. And so we get back to, because I tell you what, if this had went on yesterday, we would have had a lot to say about it. We would have had a great deal to say about it. And so we get about leaves everywhere, branches, 4 green bins full of branches, and it's like, what the bloody hell is this? Michelle's like, what have they done? What have they done? And just to make a statement, sometimes in a situation when, like, I can't stand being in that situation where I've got no power, like when I don't have a say. It really annoys me. And as a renter, we're in that situation sometimes. To what happens around here a lot. And they'll quite often do things and we're like, what the fuck is that? Why the fuck did you do that? What the fuck is going on? Why the fuck did you do that? And people have done things like, if I had a consultant last week, we would have said, no, you're not doing it. You're not doing it. They've got the possum, they've got the box. There's 4 birds to tell it or whatever. Michelle put it there a long time ago, just in the corner. Anyway, they've taken it out, broken it, thrown it on the ground. That is to say, we've taken care of it, you're not having it. We've taken care of it, you're not having it. We've taken it, we've broken it up, it's there, not being used anymore. And it's like a statement. It's like if they had to put it in the bin, like in the bin, probably wouldn't have known. Wouldn't have. But it's like they put it right in our face, like, yeah, look, we've smashed it. You can't use it anymore. That's it. And because strata, it's bored, and people get bored, and she's the only one that owns the unit. And she'll, as I said, she'll be looking at something, she'll be like, I'll see her doing this, and I'll be like, why are you looking at that like that? Yeah, 48 hours later, it's gone. And it's like, really? Is it annoying you? And renters, as renters, what goes on around the unit, you know, no say, oh fuck, it pisses me off. because they just decide things. They just like, oh, where there was an old clothesline, old beaten up 70s clothesline, looked perfectly fine. It was just over there. Strata over there, fucking Strata bitch, dumb fucking Strata bitch. Got brand new clotheslines put in. They didn't need them, but she got them done. And so Christine was like, oh, I want one. So a week later, brand new clotheslines put in, and a tree cut down for it. Like there was just greenery in that area. And they just and it's like, really. It's like, was that necessary? And we were not consulted. We were consulted about one thing once. I was saying about the steps are going to be cleaned on this date. Hope it doesn't inconvenience you. Thought we would advise you. I'm like, really? You want to tell me about that? It's all about the power. It's about the power. You know, they broke the box. They've left it on the ground. As I say, we've smashed it, taken it away from you, and we've cut half the branches off. You know, like 10, 12 branches off. Because Michelle's like, what the hell? Yeah. What the hell? Okay. Alright. Fucking hell. Really annoys me. You know, if they were to consult us, we'd say no. Say no for everything. I'd say no. I don't like that. I don't like that idea. No. So all it knows, mate. Yeah. Well, your idea is stupid. Your idea's not good. Okay. Yeah. All right. I would also like to comment on the tree situation. Again, this is part 2. I'd like to. So, we don't get approached about anything around here, right? They do not, because we would not approve. We would not. They've left half the branches there. The box, the wooden box that Michelle had in the corner for possums or birds. They've seen that. They've gone, what the bloody hell's that? They've taken it, they've broken it up, thrown it on the ground to say, right, well, we've destroyed that on you. Can't have it no more. And Christine she doesn't ask permission. She just does it. Because she knows that if she asked us, we'd say, no bloody way, you're not doing it. No bloody way. And the thing is, you know, with things like that, what they do is we will take off for a day, we'll go out, and they'll say, right, let's go quickly, before Pat and Michelle see. That's what it feels like. Because when we get back home, it's like, let's get done before Pat and Michelle get back. We get back, and we're like, does that look weird? That doesn't look right. That wasn't like that this morning. And we're like, oh, they've cut it. Oh, okay. And oh, put it just over there. It's like, it's all the changes they make around here. We would not approve. We would not approve of them. We would not give them the go ahead to do it. That Christine looks at something and she's like, got to change that. And she'll be looking at it and it's like, what the bloody hell? Why are you looking at that like that for? Yeah, 3 days later, it's gone. We don't give our approval for a lot of things around here. And things that are done around here, we look at it and we're like, what the bloody fuck, what the fucking hell is that? What have you done? We would do things very differently. and the things they do around here, completely unnecessary. Many of the things they do around here are completely unnecessary. I'm telling you, buddy, what they are. Michelle said, look, it was falling apart. The wooden box was falling apart. They broke it up, and threw it on the ground. They just saying, no, you're not having that anymore. No. So yeah, they don't ask us if we approve. They don't ask us if it's okay. They don't say, oh, Pat and Michelle, is it? Because they know we'd say, they know we would say, no, it's not okay. You're not doing that. It's not okay. We don't approve. No. So they do it. They don't ask permission. They just do it, and they usually tend to bloody do things when we're not here. Okay. Yeah. And the weird thing is, no one else complains. No one else complains. Everyone just sort of accepts it around here. No one protests. When something's going on, when something does go on here, we'll go out and we'll ask what's going on. None of the other tenants come out to ask. None of the other tenants come out saying, oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Why are you doing that? It's almost like they're like, okay, okay. You could ask them, oh, one of the previous tenants we had here, you could ask him, oh, did you see that? What happened yesterday? He'd be like, oh, what happened yesterday? Oh, that. Oh, didn't notice. So if we would not approve anything that they do around here, we wouldn't approve it. We don't, and they know that. I don't think they care either. They just do things that Strata does things that do things around here. Okay, yes, all right. For the first of February 2024, it's probably about 9 p.m. Okay.